खेलो जी, कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो, खेलो उधर। करना है और लास्ट ओवर की।
This is the fourth over going on between Team Ababil and Team Rapid Rangers. Command to Mehboob. Short ball, banged it away. That's a single taken. So Rapid Rangers choosing to bat first have lost a couple of wickets. Three balls have been bowled in this over. Sadin and Mehboob are the two batsmen at the crease. Oh, that was a good length delivery. Angling away from the right-hander. Huge appeal from the wicket-keeper, but not out given by the umpire. Sadin has underperformed this tournament. And Mehboob is also struggling in the other end, so it is important for both the batsmen to capitalize on the opportunity that they've got. Oh, that was a good ball. Played away towards the point region for a single.
स्लॉट ले रहे हैं आप ये ओवर के बाद? ओवर में चौथा ओवर हो जाता।
Looking for a run out, and it's given. Sadin is run out. It was a very good fielding of his own bowling by Noman and nicely collected by Minhaj.
स्लॉट क्या कर रही? स्लॉट आ जाओ। नहीं रुक जाओ, अभी नहीं, इसके बाद ले रहे भाई, एक ओवर के बाद। सॉरी, इसके बाद ले रहे हैं। बॉलर कौन है? बॉलर ठीक है, कौन आ रहे? आ जाओ रहमत भाई। बॉलिंग नहीं, ठहरो ठहरो ठहरो।
बस बोलते
भाई स्कोर स्कोर भाई बैट हो ना, आपको कौन सा चलता है वो लाता हूं। नहीं उससे खेलो, दोनों भी ले सकते, जल्दी जल्दी कर लो। 31-4
4 overs gone. It's 31 for 3. Junaid will bowl his second over of the innings, and the new batsman for Rapid Rangers is Asif. Mehboob and Asif are the veterans of the CBC Cup. They've been playing since a long time, and they do understand this ground and the bowlers.
आजकल देख हल खेल रहे हैं।
Full and delivery. Asif tries to go across the line and hit over the mid wicket, but he misses. First ball of his innings, trying to be adventurous. Short ball, nicely carried away towards the third man region. The ball is going towards the boundary, and that's a boundary. 4 runs called by the umpire. That was a good shot. After that miss hit in the first ball, he has come back strongly and then put the ball away beautifully towards the cover and third man region for a boundary. Full toss. It's a no ball called by the umpire.
Very nice, very nice.
And that is going to be a free hit. Asif survives, and Mehboob now has a chance to break shackles. He's struggling at the other end, scoring 12 runs of 12 balls. Free hit coming up. Oh, he misses the ball once again. It's when it's not your day, it's not your day. But cricket is a funny game. It can give you many chances and then you can still come back. Short ball. Will this be taken? Shakil gets underneath it and takes a good low catch. Mehboob, after struggling to score, departs for 12 runs. And that's 4 wickets down for Rapid Rangers. The captain for Rapid Rangers walks in. The score is 37 runs for the loss of 4 wickets. Once again, Rapid Rangers in dire need of their captain playing a good innings. Short ball. 1 for the over called by the umpire. That's hit away for a boundary. Rahmat tried to stop the ball, but then it's easily gone over. 5 overs gone, it's 41 for 4. 41.
5 over, right? चलो भाई जल्दी करना भाई एम्पायर कोई जा रहे हैं ऐसे भी एम्पायर और ले शादी एम्पायर चलो जल्दी बैठ लेके जाओ
बहुत मजा आ रहा team hurdle by the team Ababils. They're rethinking their strategy. Now is a time when the players from the green and the orange zone or the category will be coming out to bat, and the bowlers from those categories will be bowling to them. So this is an interesting rule that CBC Cup has decided on. It will be Abdul Hasib and Amjad who will be coming in to bat for the Rapid Rangers, and it most likely is Hassan Amrohi who is going to bowl this over.
भाई स्कोर कितना हुआ 41 क्या है रहमत कौन सा स्कोर लो क्या है रहमत स्कोर लो ना चलो रेडी
कर दे रहा हूं So this is going to be the 6th over of the innings for Rapid Rangers. The batsman is going to be Abdul Hasib against Hassan. So they've got 2 fielders deep on the offside and 3 fielders deep on the leg side. Well, Rahmat is 3/4 in. Now, here we go. Short cover and long mid off in place. And a short third man in. In the air! Shakil takes once again a pretty good catch. and Arbil has saved of his first ball. Gets out. Now it's going to be Amjad or Afroz. Perhaps, pardon me. Going to be Afroz who comes in. The happy captain, glaring to the camera. After losing the 2 games, he's pretty happy that his team has picked up 5 wickets, 5 important wickets. But there's more to come. The captain Basir and the big hitter Tahir still remaining. Short ball pulled away towards the final leg region. Amjad scampers for a run. Oh, that's a good shot. Very good shot by Amjad. It was a full length delivery. He middled that ball, but they come back for a single. Yeah, that's a good shot. Top edge. Called a dead ball. When the ball just bounces off the turf, a dead ball is called in this ground. So this was a dead ball. Good call by the captain, Minhaj. Full toss. Oh, that was a bad collision between the bowler and the non-striker. But they come back for a single. Amjad was in danger. Last ball of the over coming up. Play and a miss. 7 overs gone. It's 44 runs for the loss of 5 wickets.
कमेंटेटर को बैटिंग ले रहे थे
डबल रहता है भाई.
खेलो भाई अरे भाई क्या बना उधर
कौन है भाई? Shot, lovely shot. That's a beautiful shot. That's going for a boundary. Afroz, the New Yorker, plays a brilliant shot of his back foot towards the extra cover region. Although they were fielded there, but there was no chance to stop the ball. Muqtada, the bowler, gets slammed for a boundary. That should be called a no ball. That's a no ball called by the umpire, so that is going to be a free hit. 2 runs taken and 1 of the no ball, so 3 runs of this ball. Afroz is struggling to run between the wickets. He desperately needs a help runner. Yeah, free hit. This is going to be a free hit. Banged away towards a mid-wicket fielder. Junaid drops the catch, but the catch was not important. He did stop the boundary. That was more important. Junaid, the fielder there. Now, I'm just taking strike. He did play a good shot, but then a couple of dot balls came in that over. We'll have to see how he plays. Oh, once again, he tries to play the ball, but he misses it. 3 balls bowled in this over.
प्लेयर को एक्स्ट्रा ठहराना है आपके टाइम पे स्ट्रैटेजी चल रही
अरे बेहतरीन ओवर 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 अमजद भाई अमजद भाई
देखो बॉडी वाली लगा बॉडी वाली लेके आ बीच में
बॉल आता बैट
2 balls to go. Last ball of this over coming up. Good comeback by Muqtadar after getting hit for a boundary and bowling a no ball. Short ball. They scamper for a single. Will they take it? And Muqtadar runs out Amjad and in comes Sami.
स्कोर 1 सेकंड में बोल रहे हैं चलो भाई स्टे वेयर यू आर गाइस भागो अरे क्या
हुआ समी भाई
उनको हेल्प करना नहीं है बॉल भी छोड़ के हर मैच में हेल्प करने के लिए वो भी भाई देखो शॉट पूरा कंप्लीट होना उससे पहले नहीं निकलना और कौन पहले कंप्लीट आप भाग रहे हो ना मार रहे हो भाग रहे हो अरे वो भाई कितने विकेट गए 8 गए
कोने वो कैच पकड़े सो नाम
मुक्तादर
कितने विकेट गए फिर मैं बैट ले क्या बैट लेके गया छोड़े ये इसमें पूरा पकड़ रहा है छोटा सब अरे क्या हमको 9 डाउन ला रहे टायर भाई
वही बोल रहा है कोई शर्त नहीं की भाई
टायर भाई बोल अरे क्या हुआ लगा कोई मार रहा नहीं लगा कैच कौन चलो जी आ लो भाई एक मिनट ये पीछे भाई नोमान भाई हटो सब भाई थोड़ा हटो
अर्जुन नहीं है तुम नए बात सकते, you are not अर्जुन, अर्जुन को भाग रहा है खाली, तुम किधर भाग?
बाहर में आओ, चलो भाई, टाटा बाय बाय।
नहीं नहीं 8 ओवर हो गए ना?
मैंने 8 ओवर हो गया,
8
4 ओवर है भाई, ले लो 2 ओवर पावर प्ले खलास।
Eight overs gone. It's 57 for 7. Tahir and Basir at the crease. So this is going to be a power play. 2 overs of batting power play. Rahmat is going to ball this over now. Rapid Rangers need to strike big. Short ball. 4. That's gone for a boundary.
बॉल दियो भाई, बॉल दियो।
Give me ball, please.
Hitting the top of helmet. Tahir. Single. Leg by. हाँ. Leg by. टोपी को लगा. The master blaster of Rapid Rangers is at the crease against Rahmat, the most expensive player in the auction. This is going to be an interesting contest. That's a wide, nicely let it go.
Pace, come on.
So the score is getting a move on. 6 runs of 2 deliveries of this over. Oh, inside edge. The captain showing his true intentions, but was not able to connect the ball. Inside edge towards the final region. The scamper for a single. Tahir on strike. He strikes big. Will this fall in no man's land? It does. Will they come back for a second? Chancing the arm of Zabi. Oh, Zabi is struggling there with his arm. Has he injured himself? 2 runs taken. Once again, Tahir and Basir doing the bulk of the scoring for the team. Lovely ball by Rahmat. Tahir was not able to,
Last ball. भाई last ball.
hit that ball away. Last ball of the over coming up. 66 runs on the board for Rapid Rangers. 2 fielders on the leg side in deep. Oh, Minhaj collected the ball properly, but he did not inflict the stump. Tahir survives. That was a very good over in the context of the game, in the power play against 2 big hitters. He's conceding. Few runs. So now the score is 9 overs, 66 for 7. A score of 100 would be good on this pitch. If they score 11 runs and over, they'd easily get to 99. 10 runs and over would get them a score of 96. If they go 12 runs and over, they'll go to 1-2. And that's a big shot.
Come on.
Boundary conceded by Zabi. The ball enters the basketball field. Once again, it's the captain. Long off and deep mid wicket in place. Smashes it big. That's a huge six. Into the parking. Zabi is taken to the cleaners. No half chances by the captain of Rapid Rangers. Slight delay in play because the fielder went to fetch the ball. Oh, there was a slow delivery. Will Rahmat take this catch? No, he hasn't got any chance. Once again, the captain cool, Abdul Basir. Like the way he did against Wajid Ali in the previous game, he is taking Zabi to the task. 16 runs already, 3 balls to go in this power play. The score is 82 for 7. Tahir at the other end watches in awe. That's a good strategy by the fielding captain, causing a slight break in play, trying to break the momentum of the batting side. But definitely there has to be some words of wisdom that have been spoken to Zabi. It was a full toss. There was an appeal for no ball, but then the leg umpire did not give it. Good comeback by Zabi.
If he was standing on the same place, crease में, धोती ऊपर रहता था तो
Last ball of the 10th over coming up.
मोबाइल रख दो आप अंदर देखे कॉल
10 overs gone. It's 83 for the loss of 7 wickets. And that is the end of the batting power play. 10. Last 2 overs remaining. Shakil is going to bowl the 11th over of the innings. And now the fielding side gets a chance to spread their field out. And rightly so. 3 fielders on the leg side going back. Deep mid wicket, long on and deep square leg. And on the off side, there's a long off in place. 4 fielders actually on the leg side. 1 on the cow corner region as well. Bowler Shakil. He goes big. I think it's going to fall in between the two fielders. They'll just take a single. Shakil is a street smart bowler. Bowled a short delivery all right, but Basir was not able to connect the ball. Now Tahir facing the second ball against Shakil. Wide called by the umpire and then 2 bites taken. He did go across, but then when he saw the ball was going outside the guiding line, he just left the ball and Minhaj had no chance to collect the ball. So 3 runs of this delivery.
ग्रास की वजह से वो नहीं रखे मिनाल भाई, that is right, but अपने पास वो नहीं रखे इधर यार साइड में एक्चुअली वाइड नहीं देना चाहिए।
Lovely shot. 4 runs.
अभी right now 2 8.
It's 2 runs. Beg your pardon. It was not a boundary. I got a bit excited. It was a couple of runs. Once again, Tahir went across and an outside edge fetches him to a couple of runs. The score now is 91 for 7. 3 more balls remaining in this over. Somehow, Rapid Rangers always manage to get runs in the last few overs. And that's a drop! That's a drop catch! Oh, generally Minhaj does not drop such catches. Comedy of error gives them a couple of runs. Wide given by the umpire. According to the rule of the CBC Cup, if the batsman moves towards the guiding line, it would still be called a wide. Looking for 2. Will they come back? And they'll come back. They don't want to take the chance with the arm of Rahmat. And they rightly did it. Last ball of the over. 95 runs. Pulled away towards the mid wicket for a single. 11 overs gone. It's 96 for 7. Basir will keep strike. And it will be Noman who will be bowling the last over of the innings. This is going to be an interesting contest between bat and ball. A lot of credit has to be given to the captain Basir and Tahir, who is equally supporting him at the other end. They're not trying to lose wickets but also trying to score runs. They're somehow managing to score runs. Okay. Noman to Basir. Short ball, banged away. No chance for the fielder. 4 runs taken. Hassan Amrohi had no chance stopping that ball. 100 runs up. 100 up for the Rapid Rangers. 100 for 7. 11.1 overs. 5 balls to go. Once again, Minhaj drops a catch. He dropped the catch of Tahir in the other over, and now he has dropped the big wicket, big chance of Basir. 4 balls to go. Goes down the ground. Minhaj calls, and he has taken the catch. Batting. Basir, after playing a good innings, comes back, scoring 29 runs of 14 deliveries, hit 3 boundaries and 2 sixes. Present, sir. 3 balls left. He comes on the front foot, but is not able to connect the ball. It's always difficult for a new batsman to come to the crease and start scoring. Asif always looks good when his weights and scores of the balls of the shorter side. Is ball.
मार देना सभी भाई, मार देना, भाग जाना। पलटो
क्या है जी?
101 है, 101 है ना, 102 है। अरे वाइड जाने दे।
Let's go.
नहीं, अरे अब ये तो मुश्किल है। हाँ, नया बॉल दिया अंदर। ठीक है। बस मैंने अब नया बॉल यूज करे थे। नहीं करे थे।
बशीर, हम लोग नया बॉल नहीं खेले, हम लोग पुराना खेले। नहीं यार।
अरे नया तो नहीं दिखा दिया। नया नहीं था। मैं डाला।
अबे रोहित बोले खाली पहला मैच नए बॉल से उसके बाद एक गोल्ड एक न्यू दे दो
ऑलरेडी है ना उधर बॉल
और एक दे रहा हूँ। अच्छा मेरे पास नया बॉल नहीं है, क्या करूँ?
और लास्ट मैच के है ना उधर से ले लो भाई एक नया मिला ना और बाकी के ले लो उधर है ना भाई आप लोग नए में नहीं डाले बस सिर्फ भाई
निकालो भाई, एक सेकंड। हमारे बॉलर हम पुराने बॉल से डाले।
भाई हम लोग पुराने बॉल से डाले
बोल रहे ना
भाई सेकंड ओवर डाला नया बॉल खरीद दो
भाई रोल कहाँ जा भाई
पुराने बॉल से डाला भाई। नया बॉल हर मैच में नहीं है, पुराने मैच में नहीं, वो रोल खाई नहीं ना पूरे। ये तो तुम्हें कब आपका बना दीजिए कोई भी आपका क्या बोल रहे सुनो 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 मैं एक बात बोलूं
नया बॉल किधर है बशीर भाई
बॉल स्टार्ट करो बैट्समैन कहाँ है?
अरे बॉला कहाँ है
यहाँ 3 बॉल है रखे हुए।
नहीं नए बॉल्स कहाँ है
वो मेरे को नहीं मालूम यार, वो आमिर भाई दिए थे ना इधर।
है नहीं ना भाई फर्स्ट मैच में 2 बॉल दिए थे बस वही नए नहीं है उसके बाद इधर नहीं दिया चलो खेलो अभी खेलो भाई खेलो खेलो और सौरभ जाना भाई कोई अंपायर लेग अंपायर कर ले जाए अंपायर लेग अंपायर थोड़ा मैं कर लेता हूं मैं अंपायरिंग कर लेता हूं गोल्ड बात क्या है कि ना तो पूरे वाइड चलो कमान चलो सौरभ लेग अंपायर कौन है स्कोरिंग कौन कर रहे हैं भाई
शकील भाई आ जाओ, मैं हवा देख के बुला रहा हूँ। मैं देख हाथ देखा
आपकी बैट भी है भाई आपकी बैट भी है
हवा देख के लिया हमको। घास ऐसा उठा के फेंका, मैं बोला ये शकील भाई को देना।
अरे वो देख लो
है ना कौन स्टार्ट हो रहा है?
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ अच्छा स्कोरिंग कौन कर रहे हैं भाई आप कर रहे हैं नहीं फोन मिनाज भाई स्कोर कौन नहीं कर रहे हैं कौन स्कोर कर रहे हैं स्कोर अरे 1 मिनट भाई स्कोरिंग करना है कौन
बशीर कौन का फोन का है?
एक और है तो चलो 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 हो गया अरे फोन किधर है भाई
जब भाई का फोन पे कर रहे थे ना
की हवा है बॉलिंग से नहीं ये मैच में बेहतरीन एक आध दो बॉल छोड़ के भागो शकील भाई बॉल को मत देखो और एक है जी विकेट है ना हर मैच में दो फाइव बॉलर
नहीं बाहर भी नहीं बोले तो बोल रहा हूँ मैं
वो साइड रखो मिनाज पे ये साइड चार्जिंग है
कितना मारे वो अच्छा नहीं बैटिंग किसकी थी बैटिंग किसकी थी अरे उनको एक बार वो बैटिंग करना
नो 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 जबरदस्त भाई
रियाज भाई थोड़ा
ज़्यादा टाइमिंग अब तो दियो भाई स्कोर एंड ओवर
11 for 1 2 over
2 ओवर 11 रन बॉलिंग है जी भाई इधर नहीं रखना है ड्रॉप पे रखना है मारने दो
क्या बात है शकील भाई
छोड़ो भाई कोई नहीं हारेगा खुद आओ आराम से आओ छोड़ो फिर आगे ले लो बाद में छोड़ो बाहर है अंदर है बाहर है ना